God damn it.
If it makes solid contact, dude.
I wasn't expecting it. Alright, YouTube. I'm taking one for the team. I'm going for 1 million views. I'm going for Tosh.o, baby. Here we go. You ready, Clark? Help me out, buddy.
I'm about to shoot my friend with the nail gun.
We're gonna be famous. Alrighty.
Oh man.
More. We gotta get it in. No homo.
Push. Yay.
Oh, it hurts so good. At least I'm bleeding. You gotta get closer. You gotta get closer, Clark. I can't look.
Oh my God.
God, it's so scary every time I hear you bullet. No, don't get one of those. Those hurt. I still feel it in my fucking shoulder blade. Oh, God damn it. Those suck. I hate those. The short ones suck. They're fat. Get that long one right there. There's a long one right there.
Did it get you?
Yeah, it got me. Goddamn right it got me. Sorry, Tosh. Or ridiculous, Rob. Tell Big Black I said, hey. Ow! God damn it! Oh! Oh fuck. We gotta get the stick in. You gotta get closer, Clark. I know you don't want to do this to me. But I'm asking you to. I'm asking you to, man. Nope, nothing came out. Oh, it came out that time. Oh, it came out that time. God damn it. Yeah, you gotta get...
Let this charge a little bit, dude, and we're really gonna do it.
Alright, you two, we will be back, and we will have a lot more blood. Goodbye.